hope everyone is fine. And today we are going to learn about the motion. Okay, so motion is nothing but movement of an object. So here Galileo have discovered that before learning the motion we have to learn about the relative. So what is relative then? So every object will be having some relation according to their observation. Okay, so here if we are using any one sentence, okay, so that sentences will make sense only when the words have some relation. Okay, so if you are not using any some words which are non-relative in that particular sentence, then the sentence whole will not make any sense. So in the same way, the motion also, the movement of the object also will have some relation with their surroundings. Okay, so that surroundings, and in the surroundings the observer will be there. So based on the observation or based on the observer, the movement of the object will be dependent. Okay, so here the movement of the object will be dependent on the observer eye. Okay, so now let us take that I am moving here and there. Okay, so here what do you observe? That I am moving in some direction. Okay, so I am moving this side direction, that side direction. Okay, so this is based on the observer. Okay, so now let So what did you observe now? That the whole things were moving around. Yes, but really were they moving? No. Everything is static. All the whatever you have seen, the iron rods, or pipes, or drums, everything. Even I was static. I was not moving anywhere. But how did you look? For you it was looking like everything was going around. So it was based on the observer. Now you have observed that it is all going round, but actually what is there? It is all static. So this one you can observe while moving in a vehicle also. So you think that you are going on a vehicle. Okay, while you are going on a vehicle, any tree is standing beside the road. Okay, so what happens? So while you are moving, you think that the tree is moving in the backward direction. Okay, so let me say that example practically. So here I and the pipe are there. So while I am moving, you can see that the pipe is moving back. But in reality, is the pipe moving away? No. It is static. It is not moving. But based on my observation, what is it? I am moving forward and the pipe is moving backward. So all depends on the observer. Now everything will be relative. So here not only the movement of the object, whether it might be night and day. So that is also because of the movement of the earth. Okay, so here if we are taking in India, it is morning. Okay, if we see it in the west, it will be night or evening. Okay, so here the day and night also will be different. So now if you are in the west, that is in America or somewhere, then you will be saying that is night there, because you are observing from there, you will be saying that it is night. But in reality, in India, it will be morning. So here that differences will be always continuing because of the movement of the earth. And also we can say that now I am static and these all objects are also static. But I say that even if you are observing from the other planet, then all the objects are in movement. Yes or no? Because earth is continuously spinning around. Yes, when it is spinning around, then all the objects on it are continuously moving. So it is based on your observation. Now I can say that these all buildings, whatever you see as a static or mountains, everything is moving continuously with the speed of the earth. Okay, so that all depends on the observer. And one more interesting observation, let me say you. So here, whenever we are standing on a land, we think that we are straight. Yes or no? Now I am standing on the land, I am thinking that I am straight. So here, but in reality, are you standing on a straight land? No. You are not actually standing on a straight line, or you are not directed towards north. Okay, so let me say, taking the example of a globe. Okay, so here is the India, and I am standing in this direction and thinking that I am towards north direction. and the person in the America also will think that he is also standing in the north direction, and towards, if any person is on the ocean, then he will also think that he is directing towards the north. And again, if I am taking any person on the Africa, that person also will be thinking that he is for directed towards north. But are there four directed on the north? No, even not even one person is directed towards the north, because the earth is spherical. So in on the spherical land, which one is the north and which one is south? How can you place it, or how can you say it? And you can also see that all the four persons are thinking themselves that they are standing towards north, or they are standing in the upward direction. So that all depends on based on observation. So each person, based on their surroundings, they are observing that they are standing straight. But in reality, the situation will be different. So on the whole, here we need to conclude that the motion is related. So we can take another example also. So here if you are taking a mirror and you are standing in front of it, then right appears to be left and left appears to be right. So is that changing like that? No, it is not changing in reality. That only represents, or it is your imagination in the mirror image. The right appears to be left and left appears to be right. Okay, so that is a illusion. So like that, any other illusion. So right and left of the object also will be based on the observation. So here you can take that this dish is towards my right hand and this plant is towards my left hand. But as you are holding mobile in your hand, it might look like this dish TV is towards your left of your hand and this tree is towards your right. And if I am rotating or turning around, then the tree is towards my right and this tree is towards my left. So this all depends on the observer eye. Okay, so here I am observing with me, that's why it is appearing like that, and you are observing from your mobile or from your computer or anything, that's why it appears to be like that. Okay, so it all depends on the observer. On the whole, we can conclude that motion is relative, or placement of the object also will be relative, whether it might be to right or left or to up to or down. So this all depends on the observer, or whether the object is moving or it is static. Everything. So in conclusion, we can say that the motion of the object will be relative, whether the object is moving or it is static, whether it is towards right or left, towards up or down. Everything will be relative. It all based on the observation. So how do you observe? That thus will be the movement of the object. Okay, so this I hope you have understood that what Galileo wanted to say, that motion is relative. It all depends on the observer. So this is just an introduction to the motion, and many interesting topics are going to come further in my further videos. So till then, keep observing and keep learning. Thank you.